Hi Sphere, this is Mrs. Chudy. Today we're working in the next module, which is the final module, Module 5. And in this module you would be working on larger numbers, so 10 through 20. Today's page and lesson is Lesson 7, so I've just made it nice and big so you can see it. We are using those number bonds. We do have some of the 10 groups. So larger numbers. We're going to start with the first card you see up here. So think about what number is in the card. 10. So 10 is the number in the card, and we're going to fill in our number bond. So they've done parts of it. They have the whole 10. They have one of the parts, 10. So we have to figure out, how do I make 10? What's that other part? 10 plus something equals 10. 0. 10 plus 0 equals 10. So I'm going to put the 0 inside there to finish the first number bond. So now moving over here to the next bunch, I have again a card here and a card here. Number 10 again, but this time I have one more. So 10 and one more. What number do you think that is? 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. So I'm going to put 11 in that hole. And now I'm going to keep following the same pattern that they started. I'm going to put 11 inside here, which is one of my parts. And then I'm going to put, what is that other part? 11 plus something equals 11. 0. So 11 plus 0 equals 11. Next one. So again, I have the cards. I have the 10. And I also have this number. What number do you think that is? 2. So I have 10 and 2 more. What number do you think that makes? 12. So this time inside the number bond, I'm going to put that number 12. Now over here, I'm just going to keep following with the pattern. I'm going to put the 12 in here. So that's one of my parts. And what's the other part that I need? 12 plus something equals 12. 0. So we finished the top part, and now you see they are changing now to, we have these 10 groups. So this time we're going to use that to fill in the number bond. So I see the first group here is full. That's a full 10 group. And then I have some more over here. So I'm going to count up 10, 11, 12, 13. So there is my 13. And I'm going to keep rolling with the pattern. So I'm going to put the 13 down here. This is one of my parts. And what would my other part be? 13 plus something equals 13. 0. 13 plus 0 equals 13. All right, moving again. I have my full 10 group, and then I have some more. So I'm going to count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is going to go in here. That's my total, my whole. And now I need my parts. So I'm going to keep rolling with the pattern. 14 is one part. And what is that other part? 0. 14 plus 0 equals 14. All right, moving on again. Again, I have that full 10 groups, so I'm going to count up. I have some more over here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's my whole, that's my total, 15. I keep rolling with the pattern and put this 15 as one of my parts. And now what is my other part? 15 plus something equals 15. 0. So we are dealing with bigger, larger numbers. I'm going to peel this off. And this is your extension. So you do see the cards again and the number bonds, the 10 groups again. So your extension is to go ahead and finish filling in those number bonds. Use the pattern and keep filling in the number bonds. For another extension, if you want to, you could practice counting. You can count by ones all the way to 100, or you could count by tens all the way to 100. Any of those would be a good extension. Miss ya. See you soon.